channel, dolls, and today I'm here to show you how I got this look with this synthetic wig that I received from ebonyline.com. So if you are interested in this unit, stay tuned.
When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one that you call on, no matter what it is. Will you tell me I'll be here till the end? If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the things you do. And they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the worst, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they won't ever love you like I do. See us doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures, looking good. You're taking me on shopping sprees, telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone, and she's watching, wanting everything you feel with me. But she don't know all the things that we've been through. Yeah, she see you do, she see you like I do. You right for me, boy, you know that I got you. Love of my life, boy, I finally found you. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they won't ever love you like I do. How many times will it take for you to realize that I'm your right? They just want my spot, but ain't gon' treat you right. It ain't no secret, baby, everybody knew. Like Bonnie and Clyde, I'm here by your side. Should I reload it? I'm here for the ride. Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. You cannot trust them, let alone love. One minute she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my love and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey, cause I'm on my way. Telling you I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like I do. No. Yeah. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they won't ever love you like I do. It's cute for that beat again. No. Hey.
It's cute for that beat again.
When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one that you call on, no matter what it is. Will you tell me I'll be here till the end? If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the things you do. And they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. They
All right, you guys, so you guys see I did not have to do that much to this wig at all. Now this is so freaking pretty, you guys. I'm loving these curls. Do y'all see these big, juicy, luscious, beautiful curls? They are just popping, okay? Like, I'm loving this freaking wig. So just to let you guys know, this is the Outre Swiss X lace front wig Valentina in color 1. So this is a lace front, as you guys can see, and you do have a 4x4 Swiss lace closure in this wig, so you are able to move your parting if you would like to. I kind of left it in the middle part and just did like a flip over method because that's what I like to do for my curly hair, but I do have the option of changing up my part if I want to, if I want to go back to that middle part. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. I will be showing you guys if you can rock this hair in different styles, but for the video purpose I will be leaving it in this side part. So I really like this hair, you guys. It is from ebonyline.com. I will leave all of their links down below. They have so many wigs, you guys, so many great options, including this unit. So if you are looking for a wig, that is definitely a website that you do want to check out. So I will leave the information down below. You guys, I really like this unit. I am a wig wearer, okay? That is all that I wear. I do not wear sew-ins. I do not wear anything else but wigs and crochets, and this is like crochets in minutes for me, you guys. Like, check out some of my other videos. You'll see I've had crochet hair that looked similar to this, but this is a synthetic wig that is very cheap and way less time than crochets, you guys. So I am loving this wig. Like, I'm so excited I have this wig. I will be rocking this wig for the next couple days. So if you guys are wanting an update on how the curls are doing and everything like that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and turn on that bell for your notifications, because I will give you guys an update on this wig. But so far so good. I just installed it, so I am very hopeful that this wig will be very good to me, and I really think that it will, because it's just too beautiful not to be. I mean, so so far, you guys, the curls are really soft. It's no smell at all. It doesn't smell artificial. The thing I really like about this wig is, even though it's synthetic, it does not look very shiny. That is one plus that I am absolutely loving. And now they do say that it is pre-plucked. I'm not really sure if it's pre-plucked or not, but for me, I mean, you guys see, I didn't really have to pluck much. Like, I just plucked for my baby hairs. And you can do baby hairs if you want to. If you don't, me personally, I feel that it makes the wig look a little bit more natural. So of course I wanted to create baby hairs, but you can create them however you like. And then I just took the powder, my foundation powder, and made my knots a little bit more natural looking. So I am loving this look, you guys. Now, I did not cut on this wig. I did not trim on this wig. I didn't anything. I literally just flipped it over, played with it. You can pull out the curl pattern if you don't want it as tight. But me, I'm loving the curl pattern. And of course, the older it gets, the more natural it will look. But so far, I'm loving this curl pattern. Like, it is big hair. It is not too big, but it is big, honey. So if you like big, this is your wig. It's just beautiful. And I just took a bobby pin and pinned this hair back so that wouldn't ride up in the back. But it is so freaking cute, you guys. Like, y'all see this? It's so freaking natural looking. Like, it's just beautiful. And if you want to cut it for some bangs, you can. But me personally, I'm going to leave mine long. I may want to switch it up and may regret cutting it. So that's just what I'm going to do. But you definitely could. You could switch this up. It is so freaking versatile. Like, so freaking cute. And you could do so much with this wig. Like, you could just put it in a ponytail and have, like, you know, a little style going on. And it'll look so natural, you guys. Like, oh, I am loving this wig. Love this wig. Y'all, make sure y'all get this wig. Make sure you add this into your rotation, because, man, this wig is hot. This wig is bomb. Like, this wig is life. I can't stop running my hands through my hair, y'all. I gotta stop. Now I'm not experiencing any shedding or anything like that, even though I plucked the parting with my tweezers. I got a little bit of shedding, of course, because I was plucking the hairline, but it didn't really affect the curl pattern too much. So make sure you don't pluck too much. You only want to take out the amount of hair that you're looking to create your baby hairs with, because once you start plucking, it will disturb that curl pattern, and you don't want to do that for curls that you want to pop and look defined. So I didn't have to put any product on this hair. I have not sprayed this hair with anything. This is its natural state. What you see is what you get. So very beautiful, you guys. Again, this is from Ebony Line. This is the Outre Swiss X lace front wig Valentina in the color 1. It is a lace front pre-plucked 4x4 Swiss lace front wig. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all of the specs down below, and let me know what you guys think. Like, y'all feeling this look? Because I'm feeling this look, girl. Like, if you wanted to do like some color, this wig would be even more bomb. Like, it's bomb in black, but it would be so bomb. Like, summertime, beautiful colors. Like, that's what I'm getting. That's the vibe I'm getting. So if you guys like this wig, if you guys are going to purchase this wig, if you guys have this wig, make sure you comment down below, and don't forget to add me on Instagram, and don't forget to follow the company on Instagram, and I will leave all of their information as well as mine down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.
Beside me, it's a two-seater, yo, can't rock, I'm sorry. Pull up in the Rari, my beside me, it's a two-seater, yo, can't rock.
Girl, that girl that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. Girl, ain't got nothing on me. So call me. もしもし。
Never had a girl like